SIFI offers dedicated internet access or DIA, a premium, high-speed internet solution tailored to meet the needs of modern businesses. Unlike shared internet services that split bandwidth among users, DIA provides a private, secure connection with consistent speed and reliable performance. With on-demand fiber broadband, 24/7 support, and customizable packages, DIA is designed to keep your organization connected and operational at all times. In this demo, let's explore how to avail DIA using OneSIFI, our intuitive and user-friendly customer portal, to ensure seamless and uninterrupted internet access for your business needs. To avail dedicated internet access, start by logging into the OneSIFI portal. On the login page, enter your email ID and then click Login. Then, enter your password and then click Login. Once you have logged on to the OneSIFI home page, you can view details such as name, customer code, and the products you have subscribed to. On the left panel of the OneSIFI home page, you'll find the network icon. Under Network, you'll find DIA. Click DIA. This takes you to the dedicated internet access page. On the dedicated internet access page under the My Links tab, find the active services and expired services. Under the Feasibility tab, you can view the list of orders and check the status of order requests. When a new order is placed, it progresses through various stages in our system, each marked by a different order status. While you are in the process of selecting the products for your order, the status will be shown as draft. If the request is being evaluated for feasibility, the status will be shown as checking feasibility. Once the order has been reviewed and is feasible to fulfill, the status will be shown as feasible. If some links do not meet the criteria and cannot be fulfilled at this time, the status will be shown as partially feasible. Once the purchase order document is generated and awaits your approval, the status will be shown as awaiting signature. Once the customer signs the document, the status of the order will be shown as order signed. Once the order is placed successfully in the ERP system, the order status will be changed to order placed. Once the sale order number or the booking number is generated, the order status will be moved to order completed. Once the product is delivered, the order status will be shown as order implemented. To place a new link order, click New Link. The new link page appears. First, provide the implementation address. Enter the appropriate first line of address and the second line of address. The third line of address is optional. Select the state and city and enter the PIN code. Latitude and longitude are optional, enter them if required. In the bandwidth details section, there are two types of connection, fiber and wireless. The wireless option offers speeds up to 50 megabits per second. For this demo, select the wireless connection type. Then select the required bandwidth from the drop-down. In the Contact Person Information section, enter the appropriate first name, last name, mobile number, and email address. If multiple locations are added under the same contact person, select Use the same contact information for all locations as per your requirement. For this demo, select the checkbox. Click Next to proceed. The new link page appears. Find the newly created DIA link is added. To add another location, select Add Location. The same form from the previous page appears under Location 2. Follow the same process to add the additional location. Once you have added the required links, click the Submit for Feasibility button. The request is then sent to SIFI's Fusion team for feasibility evaluation, which can take 7 working days. A success dialog box appears. You can review the request ID. Click OK. This takes you to the DIA feasibility section. Find the newly created DIA request listed in the Feasibility tab with the status checking feasibility. Once the status of the newly requested link is updated to feasible, click View Plans. The link selection page appears, displaying the 2 locations you select. Start by choosing a plan for the first location. Click View Plans to open the plan selection page. The plan selection page appears. SIFI offers 3 contract periods: 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. Select the required contract period. Under the class of service, there are 2 options available: Standard and Value. The Standard plan provides features tailored for enterprises requiring reliable, low-latency internet with prioritized support and quick restoration during outages. The Value plan is intended for small to medium-sized enterprises, offering dependable internet for daily operations, IPv4 and IPv6 compatibility, and optional services like network monitoring and managed router services. For each service, click Charges Breakdown to view the detailed cost breakdown and review specific pricing information. Click the Close icon to close the pop-up. Then, click Select to choose your preferred service from the options. In the Value Added Services section, you can add any additional services required, such as additional IPs, managed bundled router, and DDoS protection. For example, if you require additional IPs, click Add. On the Value Added Service page, in the Plans section, select your required plan from the drop-down. Then click Add to Quote. If you require a managed bundled router, click Add. On the Value Added Service page, select the respective checkboxes. Note that you must select a bundled router to choose Managed Services. Then, click Add to Quote. If you require a DDoS, click Add. Then select the required mitigation capacity from the drop-down and click Add to Quote. Once your selections are complete, click Next to proceed to the link selection page. Follow the same process to select the plans for your second location. For this demo, we have selected the Value plan for the second link. Select the required locations to view pricing. For this demo, select the checkboxes for the 2 location links. Then, click the View Pricing button to view the pricing details. The Pricing Details page appears. You can download the proposal by clicking the Download Proposal button. Click Confirm to proceed. The Plan Details page appears. Click Add Remove Links to add or remove the location links before confirming your purchase. This action takes you to the link selection page. Click the selected checkbox to remove the location. For this demo, proceed without removing any links. Then, click Add Ship to Bill to button to proceed. On the new link page, enter the shipping details. Note that by default the system displays the shipping address of the link location you had previously selected. Enter your company's GST number. Next, add the billing details. The billing will be sent to the address that you specify. You can select an existing address or create a new address. For this demo, select existing address. Then, select the billing state and billing address. Click Next to proceed. On the plan details page, find the action status updated to added. You can also edit details by clicking Edit. Follow the same process to add bill to or ship to details for another link. Click Next to continue. If you want to provide PO reference number, select Yes and provide the PO reference number. For this demo, let's select No. Then, click Next to view the purchase order. This takes you to the sign order page. If you're the authorized signatory, you can proceed to e-sign the purchase order document. If not, share the document with the designated signatory for their approval. To e-sign the document, click e-sign and follow the prompts to complete the process. To e-sign the order document, click Continue. This displays the order document. Click Sign to apply your e-signature in the order document. Your signature will be applied to the purchase order document. Now, click Finish to successfully complete the signing of the document. If you are not the authorized signatory, you can share the order document with the designated signatory for approval. Click Share. In the Forward Order Document box, enter the required name and email address in the To section. Optionally, enter the required names and email addresses in the CC section. You can share the document with up to 5 people. Then, click Forward. Order document has been shared successfully. Note that the authorized signatory receives an email for signature. The designated person should either click the Click Here to Sign button or the link in the email received and follow the steps to sign the document. Click OK. Once the document is signed, the ordering process is complete. You can now go back to the OneSiFi portal. Note that the status of the request is now updated as order placed. The order is now with SiFi's delivery team for implementation. You will be notified via your registered email once the order is implemented. To view the signed order, click View. You can download the signed order document from the Plan Details page. You have successfully configured the dedicated internet access service with your chosen settings. Your high-speed internet is now set up to support secure, uninterrupted connectivity tailored to your business needs. For any questions, you can always contact us at onesifi@sificorp.com. We will be happy to help you with the services you need.